Now, the most important point is that why we even do literature reviews, right? So the participants who are here, most of you would be PhD students, or you would be a master's student, or an undergraduate student, or even a researcher, say a postdoc, or an academic. Now, whenever we are doing a project, we have to sort of look at its feasibility. We have to make sure that it is worth doing it. For example, for PhD students, when you start your PhD at the end of your first year or after 6 months, you have to present your research proposal to a committee, and you need to justify that why you're doing this research. So in such cases, the first thing you present or you justify is that what research you want to do. Okay. So for example, you want to see the impact of ChatGPT on education, that how ChatGPT has impacted the learning of students around the world. Okay, so that's, let's suppose, your research topic. The next question that you answer at that time is that why you want to do this research. Okay, so here you simply justify the significance of your research, that why it is important to do this research. Okay, for example, for the example that I have given about the impact of ChatGPT on education, you can say that it is an evolving topic. ChatGPT came in and other generative AI tools came in, and you want to find out that how it impacts the learning curve of students. Okay. The third question you have to answer at that point is that how you're going to do this research. Okay, so this is where the methodology part comes in, that are you going to do human study? Like, for example, you are going to collect data through a survey from students. Are you going to interview students? Are you going to collect data, let's suppose, from media, that, okay, you go and you scrape data from social media. So here you justify your methodology, that how you're going to collect data, how you're going to analyze the data, you're going to report the data, and so on and so forth. Okay. Now, the fourth question is that what has already been done. So you need to tell the committee or to anyone to whom you are presenting your research that what is the state of art, what others have already done. For example, the same topic, it's been there for a couple of years or so. So many papers have been already published, which looks into the impact of ChatGPT on education. So the point here is that you don't want to reinvent the wheel. You do not want to do something that has already been done and published. You want to do something novel and at the same time something that has significance. So this is where literature review comes in. In order to answer this question, that what has already been done with respect to a particular topic, you need to conduct a literature review. Okay, and only then you can position the novelty of your research. If you don't know what other researchers have done, what research has been published with respect to a particular topic, you would not be able to justify the novelty of your research. Okay, so that is why every research student, be it a master's student, be it a PhD student, or even in some cases the postdocs, they have to do literature reviews to position the novelty of their research.